BluntCut MetalWorks. I want to test the wood chipper blade, but I don't have a wood chipper. Basically, you sharpen about between 30 degree to 40 degree bevel here, one-sided, and so the penetration will wedge. So basically, the edge will do almost like a planer, and the wedging is the one that got the chips. The wood going to chip, so the chip could be 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thick, and this is a millimeter here, or 5/16. Anyway, so knowing this geometry, when you hit, whenever I test it using manually, if I chop it with my arm, I don't have enough momentum, not like a disc with a lot of torque, and the velocity and torque to go through the wood, and it will bounce back. And last time I did something similar, and I hurt my arm for about 6 months. And so anyway, so I put it into an axe framework, and you can see the edge here on the back here is flat, even though you have bevel here, but it's flat. And the sharpen here, this front here at 30 degree. So it's sharp. It's not kind of hard to test it, to cut the paper, because this is the flat side here. So anyway, I'm going to cut this way. That's okay too. It's sharp. Anyway, I mean, the chopping angle usually is about almost 45 degrees. And this is right-handed, so because the flat is on this side, so I'm right-handed here. This is just a quick 2x4, and this video won't be long because the video format is pretty high res. Hopefully I do a good job. So that the wood chips are on the 2x4, and it kind of bounce around. Now this is the hard part. This is eucalyptus. Has been dry for a long time, so it's hard, very hard wood. So it's 01 64 Rockwell. Again, the edge sharpened at 30 degree on this side. So if this one fit into the machine, you can see it to the time it's cut here. It's about 1 inch. So it's a lot deeper penetration. Again, I don't want too much of a rebound. And this is about 4.5, 5 pound hit. You can see the chip size. And the angle here is only maybe 25 degrees. Because when you feed a machine, in the wood chipping machine, angle is steeper, but I would slightly angle it. All right, I'm going to quickly test and see any damage, huh? Or you can actually inspect it. And let me see, how do I going to cut it? I guess I can cut it this way. Cut it. It's not very good, I can cut it, but there's no damage. It's extremely sharp, and so yeah, can't test it. Yep, no roll, no chip. So it's really sharp though. Let me try to hack this this guy here, right here. See how it goes. One hack for fun. Yeah, this deep. And you can see it wet enough to crack this wood. Thanks for watching.